Good day. I'm making this video on the above question. Yeah, the question above. That is, why is the sweat so salty? Or why does the sweat taste so salty? Now your curiosity. Have you ever been curious about why is the sweat so salty? Or why does your sweat taste so salty? How does that occur and from where does the salt come from? These are some of the questions that will be integrated in this short video. But let's first start from the food we eat. From the food we eat, our body traps the nutrients. And the nutrients are nothing but the chemical substances that our body depends on daily for its biological processes. And from the food we eat, we have variety of these substances. We have those that our body can utilize and those that our body cannot utilize. Meanwhile, after metabolism, the waste products are being removed from the body because in order to prevent their accumulation. Meanwhile, if they become accumulated, problem will arise. And we have excretory system. And in excretory system or excretion is a process whereby the waste product of metabolism are being removed from the body. So, and we have many organs that participate in this process. And one of the organs that participate in this excretion is the skin. The skin being the largest organ in our body. It's through the skin the sweat is being released. Now, what is the causative agent that makes the sweat taste so salty? It's due to the presence of sodium ion. Before talking about that, while processing our food before consuming, we do apply salt. And this salt is nothing but sodium chloride when we go back to the field of chemistry. In this salt or sodium chloride, we have sodium as element, we have chlorine as element, which make up the sodium chlorides. So, after processing our food by applying the salt, and after consuming, this salt dissociate to form the ions. We have the sodium ion and the chloride ion. So, these sodium ion have a very important functions in our body, which include conduction of nerve impulses, relaxation and contraction of muscles, as well as maintenance of water and minerals balance in our body. But in this video, we are not talking about the functions of this sodium ion, but rather the causative agent which makes the sweat taste salty. So, what is this sweat? This sweat is a liquid substance that comes out from the body through the skin, or which is mostly water, which is being produced by the sweat glands. And this sweat gland, we have the eccrine gland. This eccrine gland produces the sweat that is being produced when the body becomes hot in order to cool it down. We also have the stress sweat. This stress sweat are being produced by apocrine glands. So this sweat comes out through the skin. And this sweat contains many substances, those that need to be removed from the body. And among those substances that can be found in the sweat include sodium ion, proteins, urea, as well as ammonia and other substances. Meanwhile, they come out through the sweat, through the skin, in order to prevent their accumulation. So, the causative agent which makes the sweat taste salty is due to the presence of this sodium ion. Why does the sodium ion come through the sweat and makes it to taste so salty? To tell you, the sodium ion or sodium is what makes the salt to have its own taste or salty taste. So, the sodium ion, our body requires a little amount of this or quantity of this sodium ion. Meanwhile, it becomes accumulated and the body problem might arise. So, in order to get rid of its accumulation or get rid of the excess sodium ion, it being released through the sweat. So, the sodium ion is being released through the sweat in order to maintain its balance or quantity or concentration in the body. So that is why your sweat tastes so salty. To tell you that your sweat tastes so salty due to presence of sodium ion. and in order to maintain a balance in the body. That is why it's being released through the sweats. This is all what I have for you in this short video. I relate to Mubarak Ismail. MI Common Sense is always a useful check. Thank you.